the last one, but... Oh, Raquel doing her dishes. So nice. Tell me the technique that you're using.
Everything that I'm about to wash, I need to hold in my hands. Because I'm not about to put it in there. Even though it looks pretty clean.
That one does it. And the other one doesn't. She's using this swirly, girly, swoopy-doop method.
Yes. Scrub.
She knows what she's doing. Good morning. Adrian just woke up. Maya's little charging station. A little fire. What? Oh. You heard? Yep.
Look out in your eyes.
You alright?
You just got some water.
Special sauce.
Alright, I'll take some more eggs.
Dry things out here in the bush.
And they just wanted it. It's amazing. Actually, that's what you need.
No, it's
For two people.
Stuff because the radio's on 30% and I need to charge it before we get there. Alright, easy.
Yo, easy, Julian. Easy.
That's why my hands are out of my pocket.
Black.
From yesterday.
Yes, black is bad. Yo, I would love to downhill this. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's why I got a Fox 38 up.
That won't work.
I don't care what you have. Oh, you're good. Good save.
good job.
Man, dude, these hiking shoes must be super grippy.
Sorry.
It's alright. Come on, Julian, stand right here. I can imagine it's going to be
Yeah. Alright.
inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good.
If I was them, I would just put like a handle on it.
I don't blame you. It's not a bad idea. Because if you slip and roll, look where we're going.
Off the cliff.
I'm gonna go last. I want to get a shot. Got you. I got you. Don't touch the collar. That's okay. I got you. Now I'm kind of going.
Doing alright?
Yep.
Slow. We're watching where we're okay. I don't know. Yep. I got your own. Links. Alright.
That's really cool.
No. Step. I don't have. this. No, go to the right. Go towards Anthony. Go
Just
ahead.
hold it as tight as you can.
Yes, yes.
You got him?
There it is. Yep, I got it. Go. Go. Watch your feet more than your hands. Because imagine having nerves and not knowing what to do. Okay. Get him for a
Okay,
second.
I got you.
Down.
I got him. I got him.
All right.
Down.
Stay right here, Julian, okay?
Okay.
How was that? Scary?
Yeah.
Don't move. Okay, turn around in your spot and look at the view so far.
Come over here.
I made it.
I feel like I need 4 more feet. Like mine.
These kids are literally the only kids their age up this mountain. Because look at where we are. And we're not even at the top yet. Take a shower and sit in the hammock.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And marshmallows and a fire.
Macaroni. This is not even funny.
Once you get to that top step, there's a bar above you.
Yep.
You can grab on with your right hand. Alright, now start walking up and then get to this point. And I got your left hand.
I'd sling that camera over your neck, over your back, Maya. Yeah.
Right side.
I think I want to hold on to you first.
Do you want to hold on to me? Give me your hand.
Did you do that research, Maya?
We all.
How to get down?
Huh?
Or are we just like jumping off?
Yeah, you don't. Camping up here. You didn't bring your stuff?
You rope and you jump.
There's a big water slide actually.
This is supposed to be a parachute?
Yeah.
Is that what you guys?
This is gonna, I'm not gonna hold your hand on this. So you gotta use all your hands and feet at the same time. Turn around. Yep.
That breeze is amazing. This right here?
Making some progress.
Are we?
But you want this gravel over there.
You want to wrap around as well? You can sit down. Use this hand and then go down.
Okay.
Better? Come from there. Plus. Right here. Alright, stay against the wall, stay against the wall. Yeah, it looks like Vito's gonna kill us.
There's a rail right here.
You're gonna go with this.
So you know how to live my way.
Stop right there. Lean into the mountain. Whole body.
Who's on my leg?
How you doing?
How are you?
You know. As good as we could be.
This
Not
way.
bad for a 5-year-old.
Stay home.
Climb up, climb up. Grab that one.
Alright, Adrian, where are you going? Why are you going so high?
Try it.
Stay high.
Whole family's crazy.
All right, that rock to your left. Go for it. Yep. Okay.
little monkey mom.
Really, use his feet to drink coffee.
Can I tell you something? It's literally. Okay.
Everybody made it. So what time does the helicopter get here? Yeah. At what time?
Just wait. Look at the engine, see how scary it is on the other
Yeah,
side.
helicopter picking us up.
We made
You
it.
know what? You can finish, Shay. Good night, go to bed.